I'm going to show you how to install a Kwikset deadbolt lock, which is one of the easiest things to install and it takes no time at all. I'm starting out with just the holes in the door. First, I'm going to install the latch, and the latch is already marked with which side is up. Then I just need to screw in a couple of short screws into these holes. Now I'm going to insert this cylinder unit and put the rod piece through the center hole in the latch called cam slot. Now I'm going to fit this thumb turn assembly onto the rod. What you can see here is that the door's damaged because somebody tore up the hole for the deadbolt. So I went and found a decorative back plate to cover the opening. It's from some other lock set. Now I'm going to secure all the parts together with 2 long mounting screws that will be threaded through the holes in the thumb turn assembly, through the holes in the latch, and screwed into the cylinder unit outside. By the way, I used the screwdriver on both screws. Now I'm going to put on the cover plate and the knob. Normally, these 2 pieces come as one piece, but for this particular model, I need to install the knob by screwing in the tiny screw here using an Allen wrench. So I'm going to put this in like this, and then take this Allen wrench and then just screw in there. And now it looks like this. Here's the key. Yay. It seems to work okay.